Welcome to COZY Homes Renovations.
A place of rest and relaxation. Your bedroom should be your solace from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Sure, you want your bedroom style to reflect your design preferences, but you also want to make sure it functions as the retreat you deserve. Transitioning a bedroom from drab to luxurious can be as simple as the addition of new lamps or maybe a bit more complex, like an intricate accent wall. If you just can't put your finger on what yours needs though, no need to worry because that is exactly what we're here for. Our collection features the best luxury bedrooms with photos and tips, so you can finally find that perfect design.
A black bedroom is no easy feat, but this space nails it. The black wall is extra luxurious, contrasting against the light floors and emerald green accent wall. When using black in a bedroom, make sure that there is plenty of contrast, space, and light to ensure the room doesn't feel overly closed in. This gray bedroom offsets its neutral hues by diving into the bright and bold world of turquoise. Not only is this color eye-catching on its own, but when applied to the modular furniture within the bedroom, it creates a contemporary aesthetic with a slight futuristic vibe. The oversized headboard in this earthy bedroom is undoubtedly part of why this setup feels so luxurious. The plush cushioning stretching across the entire back wall makes this room look extra cozy. Of course, the ambience provided by the sconces and built-in headboard lights don't hurt either. Seductive dark hues are perfectly illuminated in this space using bedroom pendant lights. The regal gold present on them, as well as the unique bedroom chandelier and end tables, makes this space feel like it is fit for modern royalty. The circular molding on the wall makes all the difference here. Try to picture the room without it. Feels pretty plain, right? The wall art you choose for a bedroom can transform the space, so choose wisely. Neutral art with a heavy texture is often a safe way to go if you are looking to achieve a more elegant or refined look. A simple bedroom is transformed through the use of an accent wall paired with a wall sculpture. Using a textured accent wall in a bedroom can help create more visual interest and dimension in a room, which in turn can make it feel more luxurious. A personal art gallery is featured on the wall of this bedroom, all accompanied by its own overhead lighting. Art galleries have a notoriously luxurious feel to them, so it makes complete sense to borrow a page from their design book. A mix of elements we have seen in previous bedrooms in this collections have been expertly executed in this design. Ceiling-to-floor curtains, oversized headboard, hanging pendant lights, and the use of marble are a few that we can spot right off the bat. If you don't want to go the route of traditional artwork, consider having some built-in. This abstract design has been laid into the recessed wall and protected using a large sheet of glass. Something that you definitely don't see every day. The marble and wood decor seen throughout this design is not an uncommon combination in bedrooms that are looking to achieve high style. It is a dynamic duo with transformative capability. If you want a bedroom to feel sexy and seductive, try playing with some darker colors. The glossy black accent wall in this room instantly drew us in. Of course, we didn't miss the smaller touches that make this design great though, like the chrome-legged bed and simple bedroom chair. Every detail counts. Secondary lighting is absolutely imperative to achieve the desired ambience for a bedroom, so if you don't want to wire in anything new, go with the tried and true bedside table lamps. Look for ones with a more luxurious design, like the chrome-plated ones pictured here. This minimalist bedroom is sleek and clean with its all-white color palette. The designer made sure that this space doesn't feel cold and sterile by fitting it with a modern bed and creating a recessed wall illuminated by built-in lighting. Another white bedroom, but a bit more spacious. This one uses unusually shaped furniture and a bold red to create a fresh design. The white bed frame brings about an air of luxury here. Who needs wall art when you have this? Nothing says luxury quite like an irreplaceable view like this one. Another large window, but a bit more feasible for the average home. Not only can large windows reward you with a great view, but they are also great for flooding a bedroom with natural light. Design your bedroom with the lifestyle that you want in mind. If that means having coffee outside in the morning while listening to the birds, how can you incorporate that? Sometimes a bedroom can feel luxurious because of the activities or lifestyle it encourages. A touch of green is featured both inside and outside this bedroom. The area rug is accented by the expansive view of the tree tops that can be seen through the oblong window. A unique configuration for a window, but one that really highlights this design. Modern wood paneling can have a very sophisticated and warm feel, making it the perfect wall covering for a bedroom. This bedroom even accents it with cut-out design panels for extra flair. This cool bedroom is both fun and luxe. It makes great use of built-ins, which are a wonderful way to add a bit more luxury to a space. With a bit of a Moroccan aesthetic, this bedroom is a vision in white, blue, and brown. The large shag rug really helps give it a youthful vibe. If Aladdin was set in the modern day, we could totally see this being Princess Jasmine's room. Another Moroccan beauty. Great attention has been paid to details, such as the intricate tile flooring and various motifs and textures used throughout the design. Many of the accent walls seen throughout our collection have been quite intricate, but this bedroom is proof that a simple wallpaper job can also have a big impact. The neutral colors and faded design are a magnificent choice for this room. This bedroom utilizes many of the elements discussed throughout our collection, but it also incorporates a small tree that really livens up this design. The addition of plants to a bedroom can help a design feel fresh and vibrant. Keep in mind that the pot you choose to put it in can make all the difference though. A ceramic planter will always look far more luxurious than plastic.